the ideal way in the UAE to fuel. They come to you to fuel the cars. Got the Gembala Porsche over here. And we've been saved because we have no luggage room until you've saved the day. Thank you so much. So now, you've got the biggest boot on the rally.
I know. We love to travel with comfort.
So the fuel comes to you in the UAE. If you order it, that's the service you need. Gareth's on roadbook duties.
Exciting times.
Look at that.
Confusion ahead.
Oh my goodness. I don't know what any of that means. That's a roundabout with a fuel station.
That's a straight. We're going to be good on those. Yeah, it's going to be a interesting day. We thought that you were a little over punctual, so it balances itself.
Over punctual.
It balances itself out, we think. So we should be okay.
You will make it up. He will make it up. Go for it, yes.
So we've stopped off first fuel stop. Can't get my words out, tired as usual. We've got the Lykan here behind me. The others are some behind, some in front. We're heading straight to Jebel because we've got to do some filming before we carry on. So we're sheeting it a little bit, cutting 1 hour out so we can get the filming done with some of the partners of the Mille, but we're super lucky to be doing it. Obviously it's meant to be for classic cars and we respect that, and that's why we're a back number that starts. But for me as a classic car fan, I just get to see some of the classic cars that are there. And I've been told to get to drive something pretty special at Jebel when we get there, but not a bad vehicle to get us to the top of Jebel and a little bit full circle like we're talking about at Gumball with James Walker and the GDE crew is that the last time we had one of these at Jebel was the first time I ever met the guys from W Motors, and that was waiting for me and James at the top of the hill, and that was back in 2016 I believe, and now there's an extra 10 kilometers worth of road built up there, so we're going to go and drive the last part up there, head to lunch, and then see if we can get this thing drifting. Right to the top. Okay, and then we meet you up there, inshallah. See you later. was the world's longest and tallest zip line here at Ras Al Khaimah, Jebel Jais. They've also now built a toboggan run, sledge, whatever you want to call it. It goes all the way down. That is going to be epic. I'm going to do that after lunch, I think. Look how far down it goes. So we've reached the top of Jebel Jais, and that was, I think it's up there with one of my favourite runs I've ever done up, because we passed like 5 gull wings, which is pretty epic, and we had the 360 camera on the back, so we're going to see what the footage looked like. The police were asking us to overtake them, which was pretty cool. So now we're at the top. We're at the 1884 cafe, I think it's called, which has the view of the top of Ras Al Khaimah, as you can see behind me. Going to have some food, and then we've got to stamp our route card for the Millia Millia, and then do these time slots, which is where you've got to cross one beacon to another in a certain amount of time. And we've got a transponder in the car. It's all very official, so the guys over from Italy who run the main event have come here for the first time ever in the UAE to run it, so let's go grab some lunch. So some of you will recognise the car from the Fast and Furious film, of course, and the Finir, which I normally drive, is over in Japan at the moment. But this, a flat 6 3.8 twin turbo, beautiful thing, obviously stands out, crazy looking. It's driven well today up the hill. This is the prototype car that you guys will have seen in my channel before from back in the day when we took the red one up the hill climb. But one of 6 only, it's only 6, right? 7, one of 7. So this is one of 7, and then the Finir now, which I believe is 3 in Japan, the yellow one. That is going to be the next one that we're going to be taking up this hill. But just take in this view. Top of the world. In this hotel. Look at that proper gingerbread. Do you reckon you can eat it? Go on, have a nibble, Gareth.
Food.
It's edible. The whole house is edible. Wow. It's Christmas. It's all happening. Right, where do we check in? You're choking away on it. How crazy.